Welcome and thanks for watching today. This is day 4 of Pender's Advent Kindness Kit, and my name is Mary O'Connor. I've been a member of Pender for many years. Our Christmas tree at home isn't up yet, so I'm recording at Pender next to the Christmas tree. The ornaments on this tree were made in 2013 by Pender members. According to the Advent calendar in your kit, the verse for today is Zechariah 9:9. You can see it right on here. Day 4. This is one of the Bibles that we have at our house. This one's special to me because I got it in Sunday school, and it has my name on it. But today I'm reading from one of the children's Bibles. This is the Bible you get when you're in first grade. There's a lion on the outside. Looks pretty exciting. It's not as cool as the one that I got, because mine was the King James Version, which was really hard to read sometimes, especially when you're a young person. So this is Zechariah 9:9. The New International Version is the one titled, The Coming of the Lion's King. Rejoice greatly, daughter Zion. Shout, daughters Jerusalem. See, your kingdom comes to you, righteous and victorious, lowly and riding on a donkey, on a colt, the foal of a donkey. In this verse, the prophet spoke of a future king who would go to Jerusalem while riding on a donkey. This was something that came true about 500 years later when Luke explained that Jesus rode into Jerusalem on a donkey and presented himself as the king. So next thing I'm doing is getting a kindness kit. Oops. So I'm getting a kindness card out of the bag, and it says today, oops, I picked 2 by mistake, and it says, read a book to someone. I think I just did that. So it's got a cute picture of a bee on here. And ta-da. So I'll be kind to several people today. I also want to show you from the kindness kit. We have all of the different things that are happening here at Pender over the season. So you might want to drag that out. And because I have not yet done today's being kind to someone, I'm going to stick the sticker on anyway. So that's on the back of the calendar. So you have your calendar on the back. I've already got 2 things on here. I've got the manger, and I've got a donkey, and I've got a little sheep. But I'm going to put a camel on today, and I'm going to put him far away because we at Pender have a camel that's on his way right now. And the camel is going to show up for a night in Bethlehem, which is going to be a week from Friday. So I hope everybody can come to that. We had the donkey last year, and we had a camel last year, and the camel's name is Delilah. So I'm going to stick Delilah way, way down here. He's on his way, so I hope you can meet Delilah next week. So have a great week, and we'll see you at Pender. Bye-bye.